course, my friend.
How are you? Good.
How are you?
Thank you so much.
It's important.
Yeah, it's fine. It's going to be fun. Yeah, it's fun.
Hello. Right from the beginning, should we wait for press or?
The conclusion is okay. Well, let's have the camera. Everybody has experiences with this. And in case the text is okay, then we can keep a relaxed atmosphere go on. So is that okay with you, or somebody has something to add to this agenda? Is that okay? Okay. I would like to welcome all ministers, excellencies, ambassadors, all of our friends here. Level of the ministers, you had a good debate. In case somebody would like to take the floor, just ask the leader of your delegation in case you would think it was important to add to the debate. Okay.